We have something important that we need to tell you.
But it might involve you, one of these,
And here's another hint.
we have decided to get rid of the van. But only for a week.
Have you figured it out yet?
How about one more hint?
We're taking a group trip to Ireland and we want you to come with us.
In 2026, we're spending 6 days in Dublin and Killarney.
Think epic road trip adventure, but with castles, coastal cliffs, and maybe even just the casual 1,000-year-old pub thrown in there.
We're talking Dublin walking tours, Irish whiskey tastings, and scenic drives like the Rock of Cashel and the Ring of Kerry.
The trip is April 13th to 18th, 2026, and the description has the itinerary, pricing, and link to book. 3 spots are already taken, so don't wait to book.
Absolutely. And with this trip, you don't have to worry about anything. All you have to do is pack a bag, get yourself there, and enjoy the rest.
Let's pack our bag now.
You're gonna get ready now?
Can we go early?
I'm down.
Let's go.